I want to empower you to take your health into your own hands and try making this herbal cough syrup recipe, which only takes 4 ingredients and just a little bit of your time. And it's going to taste better than anything that you're going to buy at the store. And it's packed with benefits for your immune system. Some of the benefits come from lemon balm, an herb, which is a great antiviral. It's good for the digestive system and upset stomachs, and it promotes relaxation and sleep. Then we have raw honey, which we all know it's a great antibacterial. It soothes sore throats and coughs. Then we have a little bit of lemon juice for some extra vitamins and bioflavonoids. And last, we have our ginger, which is great also for the digestive system and the immune system. And here you have a wonderful cough syrup that actually tastes good and it's good for your body. Enjoy.